This is our HVAC Ventilation Flex duct. This hose is ideal for air movement applications, such as air conditioning ductwork. It's made of a combination of PVC, aluminum, and PET film. Its exterior layer is made of tough gray PVC, and it features a spring wire helix for increased durability as well as compressibility. This hose features a 5-to-1 compression ratio.
With the layer of aluminum lining the hose's interior, this hose provides great noise and heat insulation. It can withstand temperatures from -20 to positive 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
And we offer it in 5 different ID sizes and one 25-foot length.